and clapping thighs. Let's vibe. A broke bitch I despise. Let's vibe. All my bitches dying, straight vibe. Fine shit vibe.
We're going up for sure. This shit is really going on. Shit really going on.
I'm a wife, I don't hang, I'm a wife. Don't complain, I'm a wifey. All my nigga got a chain gang, I'm a wife.
Hey, boy, that be first lady GMC. Boy, that
It's the DC takeover. The hospitality has been unmatched. Love the vibes. Definitely alive. Big GMC, big Raindrop. We getting litty in the city, DC. We out here.
So we're going to do 3 different looks. Then we're going to kind of piece it all together.
That's cool.
Let me show you the one the lady, Lexi, so you can kind of get an idea.
Want some fine shit, gotta have bricks. Big booty bitch, like my pussy lick. Tall ass nigga, long ass wigs, like I'm hood rich, but he gotta be a trick. Short ass nigga, big ass dick. I like ugly niggas, cause I'm a pretty bitch. Old head nigga, pulling out the stick. Buy him with the switch, but it gotta be a blick. Ballin' like a bitch, fuck me at the Ritz. Street smart nigga, got a lot of sense. He like to spoil me, like to buy me shit. I don't gotta ask, he just give me.
And just like that, we wrapped it up. Feel me?
I'm a wifey, yeah, I'm a wifey, yeah, I'm a wifey.
Tequila, but bad bitches drink Tito's. I'm a Tito's girl. They ain't have Tito's. Like, what? How y'all don't got Tito's? I mean, come on now. Zero carbs. You feel me? No calories. Well, low calories.
Got it up. I'm a wife. I don't hang. I'm a wife. Don't complain. I'm a wifey. All my nigga down and chain gang. I'm a wife. Anime. I'm a wife. Eat the cake. I'm a wifey. I ain't smiling in these niggas' face. I'm a wifey. I'm a wifey. Yeah. 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 I'm a wifey. Yeah.
Let's do it.
So it's just 2 scenes. You run it, run it.
Okay, I got it. And then it's fast.
But it's just me and you. Fine, let me get one person.
Okay.
Give me 1 second.
We about to do a TikTok.
TikTok, that wouldn't be what you need.
Cause I be running through these niggas' minds all day. I know they motherfucking feet hurt.
He did.
Okay.
Credit.
I think I did.
He's not ready.
Oh, he's not. Oh, you want? Come on.
It's me. It's me.
That's fire. Yes. Come on. Tag me. Tag me.
You rap R&B, what you do?
I do how I feel. I'm a rap artist, but
Rap artist?
you feel me? I do a little bit of everything.
Do it all. What you got out right now?
I got a song out called Tricks right now, produced by Beethoven and your other producer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Hey.
Stuff done in DMV, this the guy right here. I literally just left from hosting another event. Yeah, just had the
Raindrop, nice to meet you. Y'all, nice to meet you. You from here? No. Okay. Why does it give New York vibes though? You agree or no?
Agree. I could say like it gives Bushwick vibes. And if you're ever in the Big Apple, let me know.
Okay, for sure. I'm gonna hold you to that now. Yeah. So I have a show tonight at the Throw Social with YK Big Boogie. So shout out to We The Party.
All right. So what brings you here, like to this spot? What made you?
Well, we here, so we've been doing interviews and just we maneuvering through the city. You know, we got the big GMC, building us management, us the team. So
So we just been, you feel me, showing out.
Your specific fans or anybody else that's watching or getting hip to you, say it directly to them. Talk right to the camera.
This your girl Raindrop, big Raindrop, no jizzle. So we really in the city. And yeah, we turning up. We ain't doing nothing but up. So yeah, get with it or get left.
Love it. Thank you. Thank you.
I see the vibes. Cause I know these niggas' feet hurt. Okay?
Hey, we out in these streets.
Yeah, we out in these DC.
We ain't come down here to stay at the hotel,
Yeah,
man.
we alive. We litty in the motherfucking city.
You dig what I'm saying? GMC.
They definitely know Raindrop was in the motherfucking streets. Big GMC.
Yeah.
Period. They see the vibes. They see the motherfucking vibes. Big GMC. Cause we doing what? We getting money consistently. Getting money consistently on a pussy hoe. What?
Yeah. Hey, see what that ain't looking like now?
Okay.
Yeah, the big one. Yeah. What it is
Lady.
tonight. GMC in the building, Washington, D.C. Open up for YK Neeson Boogie. We going up.
We in the city. Going crazy. DC. You feel me? Don't owe us nothing.
Like that. You
Big
dig?
GMC.
Yeah.
Big Raindrop. Big TJ. You know the motherfucking vibes.
Yeah. The biggest. Yeah, we popping it tonight.
Yeah.
Well, we might do something to these folks and we might go crazy in the stands tonight, boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get
We got
used
something
to
for
it.
them.
Let's vibe. Shaking ass and clapping thighs. Let's vibe. A broke bitch I despise. Let's vibe. All my bitches dying straight vibe. Fine shit vibe.
This shit is lit. I don't think Atlanta be this lit though.
We in the city. We looking pretty. Popsicle. A boom boom baby.
I wanna play when a broke boy approach. Go corporate and sell you some dope. Do I got time for a joke? Nope. Control these niggas on the daily remote. When a bitch be talking about you, just buy that hoe a pillow. Be the main ones in your face, no, I don't fuck with weirdos. Where my bitches ain't been outside in a minute. Link up, let's get live in a minute. Now Julio, acting Julio. Shit might get a little wild in a minute. Standing on couches, throwing money to the ceiling.